Good morning, guys. Welcome very bright and early to, I was going to be like, no, it's like, what am I doing? My sister's with me, obviously. This is Hannah, if you don't remember her. You haven't been in a video in ages, a long time. Forced her into it today. Basically, it's very early. We are at St Pancras on our way to Paris for the night with Dior. They're launching a new foundation and we're going to Paris for the launch. I'm very, very excited because I haven't been in ages and it's just, yeah, we've escaped. We're kid free. We have arrived in Paris and we're staying at the Plaza Athénée. I've never even been here before and it's so beautiful. I've seen it so much on Instagram. I can't wait to see. Oh my goodness, we've just checked into the most beautiful room. I've seen so much of this hotel online. It's just so amazing to actually see it in person because the view, I'll show you the room in a minute, but I'll show you the view first. Out on the balcony, we're literally right next to the Eiffel Tower. It's just such a gorgeous view. And then the room is just beautiful. And Hannah's just chilling out. Oh, what Hannah noticed as well, look at this. There's a picture of River on her birthday. So sweet. And this is like the entryway with the minibar and everything. Walk-in wardrobe of dreams. And then the bathroom is in here. So exciting. I'm so excited to be back in Paris. We've got champagne. We're going to be cracking that open. Look at these amazing flowers. And I haven't looked in the bags yet. Open the bag. I just have a little sneak peek. I can't wait to try the new foundation. I literally am obsessed with the old one. They're all in boxes. I'm going to open them and then I'm going to show you. So guys, sneak peek at new Dior products. This is what was in the bags. The new lip glow, I think they're like MAC. Oh no, these are the lip maximizers, and then these are new colours in the lip glow lip balms, which are the Color Reviver balms. I'm so excited to try these because I love the originals. These look so nice. Look at this colour. Lovely. And then the new foundation. There's actually two finishes. I didn't know anything about what it's going to be like. You guys know I love this foundation so much. They've reformulated it and they've also added a new finish. So there's the matte and then the skin glow, which sounds up my street. And then there's also the Dior, I could just call it Dior, the Dior Joy moisturising body lotion and shower gel to use whilst we're here. Very exciting, very spoiled. So we've come to the Dior head office to learn more about the new foundation with Peter Phillips. Beautiful in here. Look at this wall. That is a few shades. So we've just got out of the meeting. We've come for a little walk. They still have the Dior Christmas tree up. I'm so excited I got to see that. I saw it on Instagram so much over Christmas and it's a beautiful afternoon. So we're going for a little walk. Hannah's just on the phone here by the bin. That's how she rolls. So we're going for a little wander and just enjoy Paris for the afternoon. Just got back to our room and we have cracked open the bottle of champagne. We've got the most beautiful flowers and the light is just magical. It has been like the most like on and off, that the clouds have been coming in and it's just been getting the most incredible lighting. And we're just trying to work out, I don't know Paris very well. So I'm just trying to work out like exactly where we are and what's around here because I think we have a couple of hours and we're maybe going to go for a little trot around and just, yeah, a little mooch around Paris. So excited to be here. Mainly excited to be here with you because I never spend time with you.
I want to go up there to that roof terrace.
Yeah. Can we make friends with them? Mind you, I'm not going to lie, actually I prefer our balcony right now. They don't have as nice flowers as we do and they don't have champagne. Although they probably do at some point. I bet they do a lot of champagne drinking up there. It's just so cool. Look at this one as well. I think this little roof garden looks amazing. And all of the lights, it's gonna look so beautiful tonight. Good evening, guys. So I've just been very spoiled and had my hair and makeup done in the room. We've been drinking a little bit more champagne and we're now ready to go out for dinner. Before we go, I thought I would show you my outfit for this evening because I've got a new dress which I really love. I'm going to try and show you in the mirror, which is on the back of the door, so I don't know if how well it will work, but we're going to try this. So this is my dress for the evening. It's actually from Sandro. I got it in the sale. I had my eyes on it when it was not in the sale. It's got like a fitted, like ruched kind of crossover top with long sleeves and like quite high neck. And then it's got this pleated skirt with this amazing like star. I mean, I loved all of Sandro this past season. I was like, I need it all. It's got stars, it's beautiful. And then I've got on my Aquazzura ankle strap shoes, which I had in my haul video from my sales haul. And then I have been loaned a Dior saddlebag with the amazing strap. And it is not mine to keep, but it is mine for this evening. So yeah, that is my outfit, and we're going for dinner at Lulu's, which I've never been to before, but I've heard lots of good things about it. So I'm excited and really cold. Our room is freezing because we've spent most of the afternoon with the door wide open on the balcony. So we're now absolutely freezing. I think we need to turn the heat up before we go out so that it's like...
Look how pretty it is out there now.
It's, yeah, oh yeah, let's show them. So this is why we have had the door open. Look at all of these lights. Did we? Oh no!
Sparkles on the hour.
Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so this is why we're freezing. It's worth it. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning, and we have come for breakfast in the hotel. It's incredible. In case you're wondering why I look quite so red and tired and puffy, I have no makeup on because I'm about to have a facial. But before that, Hannah and I come for breakfast. We have quite a few pastries. This is not us overordering, this is a standard pastry. I mean, I might be smuggling a few of those in my bag. And I already had a little sip out of this one, but I want to show you the coffee art going on here. So amazing. And the chandelier. Oh my god, it's just beautiful. The dream for a Wednesday morning in Paris. Saying goodbye to our beautiful room and this view. We're all packed up and ready to head back to London. That step is deceptively big. I've nearly fallen down it like 3 times, but I had an amazing facial. I have put on a little bit of mascara and on my eyebrows and a little bit of concealer under my eyes because I needed it, but it was just dreamy, like the absolute dream. And we're now headed for lunch and then back to London. It's been a whirlwind but amazing trip. 24 hours. I love Paris for that because you can come and go so quickly. You don't need to be here. That, like, doesn't really feel like you're going out of England. The train is like so easy and so much quicker than a lot of other places in England, so it's just, oh, it's been amazing. But I'll show you lunch and then going home to my little bug. Stopped into La Durée to buy Mike some macaroons. His favourite, I couldn't not, when he's been at home alone. So I've just got back to my car. I don't know why the windscreen wipers, hang on, chill out windscreen wipers. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I've just got back to my car. The Eurostar is so easy, it's just amazing. And I am now on my way back home to see Rivs and Mike. I just did some FaceTiming with Riv over dinner. I missed her so much, can't wait to see her. Yeah, I've got about an hour and a half, no, probably 2-hour journey because it's 5:30 now, so it's gonna take a while. Ahead of me, and then I'll be home. And apart from that, nothing else exciting to report. I am listening to an audiobook, actually. I'm listening to Michelle Obama's autobiography, which I'm really excited about because I'm 5 chapters in and it's really, really good. And a lot of people I know have read it and said like it's amazing from start to finish. So that is what I'm doing. Off we go. Long drive ahead. Well, not that long, but I'd rather just be able to teleport. When are they going to invent teleportation? Because I need it in my life. I am home with this one.
Well, hello there. How are you doing?
I'm so excited to get home tonight and see you. Surprise, surprise, he's in his gym gear.
Can I say this? So I've been in the gym twice today. 6 in the morning.
Oh, what?
did 10 miles at 6 in the morning.
You crazy.
And then tonight I've done a full cardio session.
Well,
circuits in the gym.
good for you, Mr.
Yeah,
Smart.
and we're taking out our new pan for a spin.
Oh, new pan for Christmas from my granny.
Granny's present, working a treat.
Oh, sorry. I nearly
Careful
threw
now,
that
steady
across
on,
my-
steady on.
What are we having for dinner?
We're having like a prawn and rice dish.
Oh, peri-peri cream.
Yeah, which
Yum.
compared to your healthy eating craziness that we're about to go on, that's for tomorrow.
Well, I think this is good. Anyway.
Well, this is also
Pretty
healthy,
healthy.
but you're super duper healthy one.
I am so excited to be home. In other news, Mike working out, well, like on the same vein as Mike working out, he signed me up for a 10K, and it's in February. So I have been running as well, around 3 miles the other day.
Very impressed.
Got to obviously get up to 6 miles, which is 10K. If you're wondering why my eyes are looking crazy, I have got the most insane, like, watery eyes, and the last couple of hours driving along the motorway, my eyes have been streaming. I think it's from the cold. I've had it for the last few days, and just, I literally was doing this the whole way home because my eyes were just streaming, which was not great in the dark driving. I was like, oh my god.
No.
So Mike's cooking. I'm gonna go and open my post, and we're gonna have a nice meal.
Your trainers have arrived.
Oh, he's ordered me some new trainers. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, Mike has chosen these. Dun da da da. So when Mike found out that I might consider agreeing to run a 10K, and then he immediately signed me up for it.
Instantly.
So excited about the prospect of me running, not with him because he's way too fast, but in the same race. He ordered me the girl versions of his trainers, which are...
the Nike Pegasus Zoom Turbo.
That's what they are. They're actually a really cool colour. Nice choice, Mike. He was like, you need proper running trainers.
Well,
I was like, well, I probably... I have so many trainers.
Yeah, but the thing is, you always struggle with like shin splints and calf.
Yeah, I do get
basically
shin splints.
Stamping of calves. They've got such good cushioning that, you know,
well,
hopefully it will inspire you to continue on this journey.
Maybe, baby. I also ordered these, which came in the post whilst I was gone. These are Sweaty Betty thermals that are the same as my ones for river, for skiing. I think they might be a little bit big because the smallest size they did was 2 to 3, but I was like, if they don't fit her this year, they'll fit her next year, and I can literally have a mini me, and they were in the sale.
Can I teach you something
right
right
now?
now?
Cute. What's that?
Do you know what this bottom bit here is for?
No.
So, it's so that
So MDF.
it's so if you notice on my shoes how you get them tight, so that your ankle stays in its ankle.
In its ankle. Your ankle stays in its ankle,
Yeah,
does it?
position.
Okay.
So basically what you
Mr.
do is
Nike, you literally
now-
covered head to toe in Nike watch.
that through, and then you
Okay,
tie a
hang
knot.
Oh, okay, right.
So like basically,
Why is
Put the
it?
loop
What
in, so-
actually, your ankle stays in your ankle doesn't actually make sense.
so your ankle stays in position, keeps your ankle tight
Okay.
instead of slopping around.
Right, so go laces up higher
Yeah.
basically.
So you put that one through there, put that through there.
And this looks really complicated.
So easy, like that, and then you just tie
You're
it
gonna
on.
have to do that, yeah. Thanks. Are you sure you're supposed to do that? Looks a bit weird.
No, that
Don't
is
show me.
the pro.
Move your hands out the way.
Like that.
No, stop moving the trainer.
Sorry.
That
So it
looks
holds it in.
weird. Oh, okay.
It holds it up further, so it tightens it. Obviously, you do this is a bit tighter normally.
Yeah, the professional way to do it, hey? Oh my god, guys, I just received this in the post as well, which is possibly the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's a dog lead that is a lightsaber, so the handle is like a lightsaber, and then this lights up Mike. You're... Oh my god, it's the coolest thing. Disney sent us this like out of the blue. We didn't know it was coming, and I saw the package. It said Star Wars dog lead. I was like, Mike, what have you been ordering? It's amazing. Okay, the moment of truth. Are you ready, Piggy? It even makes a noise. Oh my god, that is the best thing ever.
I mean, wagging tail approval.
That is so good. I love it. It's so funny.
Strong with this.
Well, that's made my evening. Do you like it, Piggy? Do you like it? Oh,
very
yes, 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 yes. Good morning, guys. I actually didn't finish my vlog last night because I fell asleep on the sofa. But I am now in my gym gear. River, if you can see her, is in her buggy just there, asleep. And I'm going to get on my running training. I've got 3 miles to do today. So hopefully I can do it before she wakes up. But that is it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you probably next week or week after. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye.